Effective working arrangements is a general term that refers to the legal agreements that can be set up between an owner and a worker in a farm business. In this session, we wanted to look at the various aspects of negotiating effective working arrangements. When a person comes to work on a farm, they can be classified in 4 ways. They can be an employee, an independent contractor, a share farmer, or a family member. It's important to have that classification correct because that'll determine the legal arrangements that are going to be set up as a consequence of that. The one that's confused most often is between an employee and an independent contractor. Make sure that you visit the Fair Work Australia website or contact them and seek your own independent legal advice to determine that you've got the right classification in place. Whenever a person is employed as an employee on a farm, they are covered by a common law contract of employment. Now, that common law contract of employment guarantees certain minimum rights in the employment situation. They will be covered by an award, and Fair Work Australia will also administer those awards. Make sure you know which award that your employee is employed under. Once they are employed, they'll be employed full-time, part-time, casual or seasonal. Once again, important to get that correct because there'll be different pay rates and different benefits coming out of the award for each of those classifications. The new federal system now ensures that each employee has a set of national employment standards that must be met. And these are the minimum standards for employment, and they cover things like leave and other aspects of the workplace. Once again, ensure that you're meeting those. Outside of that basic award, there also is the opportunity to have other agreements that might include incentives and rewards, accommodation and other aspects that you might like to build into a workplace agreement. Remember the very first principle that we brought up, that productivity is directly linked to people, their needs and their participation. And when negotiating an effective working arrangement, bear in mind that productivity and meeting the needs of the person are going to give you the best long-term outcome.